Okay, so we've got so far. I've changed the picture because I'm fed up with Gordon Brown. The picture of me. I'm just going to tidy this up a little bit because we've got some little problems here and there, some spacing issues. First thing is I've got the footer is there, and this container only goes to there, which means that any items placed beneath the story will move up beside it, including the footer, but also the container will only be as high as the items that haven't got a float property, which causes a little problem there. There is a way to get around it though, which is this. If I add an extra property to container, which is display and table, which makes it basically ignore any float, and the height of it is controlled by whatever content's in it. This doesn't fix the footer because it's still being affected by float, because it's actually after the story container. So what we can do with footer is add a little line which is clear left, and the clear will clear any floats. So if you've got items floating left and you want to clear that, you choose float left, and for right you choose float right. So I'll try that, and you can see that that's dropped down underneath. So we're going to do the spacing as well, and we'll try a few things out using Firebug on Firefox. So I'm going to inspect my CSS. So what I'm going to do is add a little padding to container. So within Firefox I can inspect the HTML and the CSS that goes with it, and I can add a bit of CSS to this by double clicking the name there, and I'll choose padding, press enter, and then add some numbers. So I can do 10, or if I put the cursor in the middle of the number I can use the arrow keys to increase or decrease. I think 10 is quite a good number. So that's already added a little space there. Also on the right column I'm going to add some as well. So I'll find a right column. I know it's inside content, and a right column. So right column, padding 10 pixels. And there we have some neater spacing. But I also want to add that to the CSS as well. So I can either type it straight in, or I can copy and paste it from Firebug. So I know I chose container first, and it's padding, so I can copy that line, and I applied it to container. So I can just add that in, and I also applied it to right column. So I'll add that in there by pasting it and save. I can turn Firebug off, and refreshing it, I've got the nice columns there.